Okay, so we'll make now a sponge, a vanilla sponge, similar with the Victoria sponge, but a more aerated, with a little bit more liquid. We'll start by just breaking the eggs. Just use 6 eggs. Okay, and I will soften the butter. In fact, it's not just butter, it's unsalted butter and stored some vegetable fat. The vegetable fat is lighter, so it's not so heavy as the butter, but if you prefer to use butter only, that's absolutely fine. I wouldn't recommend just vegetable fat because it's just getting too greasy, but a half mix will work perfectly. So I'm going to start beating the butter to get it with along with the vegetable fat to get it light and aerated. Then I will add the vanilla, I'll put the sugar, then I will obviously incorporate the eggs and fold in the flour, and that's going to go in the oven to bake for about 20 minutes this time. Okay. So it will take a few minutes to get this sugar nicely incorporated, almost like melted into the butter. So it will take about probably 5 minutes. But once you think that it's fluffy and nice, you can start adding the eggs. You can put them little by little, or you can put them all in one go. I'm going to put them all in one. Then also just scrape the sides of my bowl. Of course, as the eggs are liquid, will help the sugar to dissolve even quicker. Going to sprinkle the flour now. And incorporate. don't have to overbeat, so just beat till you notice that everything looks like nice and smooth, and obviously the flour is nicely incorporated. Just like half minute, and then you pour onto your baking tray. And this, as I said, will go in the oven 170 degrees for about 20 minutes. It's a larger amount of mix, and also it's got lots of butter, more eggs, so requires more longer baking time. Just leveled, making sure that the edges are all nicely covered, and I don't have a dome kind of shape in the center. But because I'm baking this flat, it will turn up coming out from the oven perfectly leveled. So 20 minutes in the oven now. Okay, so the time has gone now. We've got this lovely sponge after 20 minutes. Soft, yeah, but still springy when I touch. It's a heavier cake, heavier type of sponge than the one we've made out of like a chiffon, but it's suitable for various projects like carving, or for people who prefer more like a not heavy but a more dense type of cake.